Plant FAQs. Anthurium Livium. Anthurium Livium, the striking striped beauty with easygoing ways. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm a sucker for a houseplant with both looks and personality. The Anthurium Livium ticks both boxes. This relatively new variety boasts stunning red and white striped flowers that resemble a barber's pinstripe. But beyond its eye-catching blooms, the Livium is a low-maintenance charmer, perfect for busy plant parents like myself. See more 1327 species in genus Anthurium at monsteraholic.com. What is an Anthurium Livium? The Anthurium Livium is a breeding breakthrough from Anthura, a leading plant breeder in the Netherlands. Introduced in 2017, it quickly gained popularity for its unique striped flowers and long-lasting blooms. Like most Anthuriums, the Livium features glossy, heart-shaped leaves that add a touch of elegance to any indoor space. Livium versus other Anthuriums, standing out from the crowd. Anthuriums come in a dazzling array of colors and varieties. So what makes the Livium special? Here's a quick breakdown. Striped appeal. The Livium's defining characteristic is its striped spathe, the colorful part mistaken for a petal. The actual flower is tiny and hidden inside. This unique pattern sets it apart from the more common solid-colored Anthuriums. Long-lasting blooms. Anthuriums are known for their impressive flower power, and the Livium is no exception. Its blooms can last for weeks, even months, with proper care. Compact size. Compared to some champion varieties, the Livium is a more manageable size. This makes it ideal for smaller apartments or those with limited space. Livium versus peace lily. Striking similarities, key differences. Both the Livium and the peace lily, Spathiphyllum, are popular choices for low-light environments. They share similar air-purifying properties and a preference for moist, but not soggy soil. However, there are some key distinctions. Flowers. The Livium boasts vibrant, striped flowers, while the peace lily features a white, hood-like flower that fades to green over time. Light needs. While both tolerate lower light, the Livium might require slightly brighter indirect light to encourage blooming. Growth habit. The peace lily tends to be bushier, with multiple flowers emerging from a central crown. The Livium typically produces single flowers on upright stems. Ultimately, the choice between a Livium and a peace lily depends on your personal preference. If you crave a pop of color and a unique design, the Livium might be your perfect match. How to care for Anthurium Livium. The good news is, the Livium is a forgiving houseplant. Here's what you need to know to keep yours thriving. Light. Aim for bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh afternoon sun that can scorch the leaves. Water. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out before watering thoroughly. Overwatering is a leading cause of problems for Anthuriums. Soil. Use a well-draining, airy potting mix specifically formulated for aroids, plants in the Araceae family, which includes Anthuriums. Humidity. Moderate humidity is ideal. If your home is dry, consider using a pebble tray or humidifier. Fertilizer. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer every few weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. With a little TLC, your Livium will reward you with stunning blooms and lush foliage for months to come. Livium, the gift that keeps on giving. The Anthurium Livium makes a fantastic gift for any occasion. Its long-lasting blooms and easy-care nature ensure the recipient can enjoy its beauty for a long time. Plus, the unique striped pattern adds a touch of sophistication that's sure to impress. So, if you're looking for a houseplant that's both striking and easy to care for, look no further than the Anthurium Livium. With its captivating looks and low-maintenance needs, it's sure to become a cherished member of your indoor jungle.